If I punch you, tomorrow you will have a 10, 9. Bruise, yes, 1,000. Why? Because that's what it is. Next, boys.
Okay.
What is besides 7-Eleven?
Family. Mom.
Yes, spell it.
Family.
Okay.
What is this?
Oh, 0.
No!
Why we moved it like that?
This is 1.
No, that's 0.
Oh. 1, 5.
I don't think it's 1-5. I'll give you 500.
Okay. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher.
Next, girl, hurry up. Who is the other teacher in this class? Not Cindy. 5, 4, 3. Yes, 500. Next, boys. Who is the president of America? Of course, now. What?
Donald Trump.
Trump. Is it Donald Trump?
Trump.
What's his first name?
Donald Trump.
Donut.
Donald.
Listen,
What is USA president?
Donald Trump.
Donald Trump.
500. Girls, hurry up. Is this half? I don't know, check.
What's it? What?
Are sharks mammals?
Yes.
Why?
Because they don't have eggs.
Okay. Next, boys. What is the capital of this country? Yes.
Oh yeah, I'm right. What is this? 1,000.
No, 500. Like the boys. I can't see it. Oh, you don't want 500? Write it down. Well, Thomas, look at me. Thomas, look at me. Hey,
Check.
you promised me. Look at me. You promised me you would not get angry, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, Thomas is this is 1. Check.
Just stop. Okay, take the 2 countries there. There are 2 left.
Okay.
You and her. Represent stone.
Hey, versus or stop.
Okay, you win. Do you want to be first or second? Okay, you go first. Hey, whoa. Charlie.
Malaysia.
What is my favorite Chinese food?
No. Can I?
Yeah, yeah.
What?
Just say it, Paul. Paul, say it. Yes. 700. And finally, girls,
105.
nothing.
No, 101.
So, guys, I'll give you 700. Okay?
Okay.
Is that fair?
Yeah.
You don't have to do anything except say that I'm handsome, not fat, and not old. Go.
You are handsome,
No, not handsome. Handsome. Yes?
You are handsome.
Handsome.
Not fat, not old.
Good. Now choose one country, put it on top.
This.
I don't care which country, it doesn't really matter.
Yeah.
Okay.